Took one of the vacuum tubes out. That looks pretty good. It's not all baked or anything. Service designed receiving tubes and picture tubes. General Electric made their own. It has an EIA code of 188. Devices with an EIA code tells you who actually made it. And some don't have it. And other kinds of devices, like microwaves and etc., will have an FCC ID. And that tells you who makes it. Yeah, it's filthy from sitting around. It's kind of low hour, I think. Looks pretty good. That doesn't look all brittle. That looks really good. So there's about 3 wax caps. Tempted just to replace that one, because that's a given, because that one's physically bad. Wax caps. There's that one, the one that blew years ago, and that one. There's that, whatever the hell that one is. I'm going to try to reform that one, same with these. As you can see, it's kind of a pain to get in here. Also, the degaussing thermistor, or the inrush current limiter, whatever it is, it's intact. So is the other side. I looked at it. The other one was busted. It'd have a puff of smoke every time you turned it on. Chris Thurman put out a video of a Portacolor, just like the one I have, and describes the problem I had. Yes, I plugged it in, turned it on, it was going snap, 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 like you said in the video. And it didn't kill it. It's in whiskers though, so it was a horizontal collapse. Sylvania set it got rid of. No, it's not a real Sylvania, unfortunately, but Philips made sets are pretty good. I just soldered one of the leads back on that. Oh, that's what happened to my other Portacolor. I replaced it, and it blew the fuse. There's 2 fuses in this area, and I bypassed one and made the horizontal output tube red plate. So that one's being put on hold. That seems like a low hour one too, or maybe the GE tubes just last a long time. These compactrons. Seems to be all original, just like the other one. Oh. Coughing Freak Show as always. This doesn't have a lot of that
spoogy discharge.
The screens are turned up evenly. Not going to mess with them. And we're having central air problems, so we're going to have an air conditioner installed as a supplement or something. I'll get a short of that. Grandma thinks the unit out there is going to be a limit, and so do I, because it's had a few problems. Wonder if this was in the garage for the estate sale. They put it under the kitchen table, it looks like. Here's the picture. So I'm going to take all the tubes out and wipe the top off, so I can see the glowing tubes to the max. I'm not going to power this up for a long time. Not a long time, but whenever I want to get around to it. It's that piece of cork looking material.